Thanks for tuning into the Life of Leo. On today's video, I am gonna show you guys how I built a ramp um, for my wife due to the fact that she had a fall yesterday, and this is an emergency at this point. It's unexpected and is unfortunate as well. So I have to come through and build her an emergency ramp. How I'm gonna do this, I only have a minimum supply, but I'm gonna try my best to make this happen. And this is how I'm gonna do an emergency ramp. So I already have everything cut out, or at least the ramp part, the floor to it. It's already cut out. I have to modify the AC vent area. The dryer vent area. Uh, Due to the fact that if I want that board to be flush with this step right here, this one right here, I will have to move those, that vent a little bit lower or higher. I'm still not sure which one I'm going with. Regardless, it needs to be moved. And this right here will be my handrails. Got me some brackets, so yeah, man, stay tuned. Yeah, right now, I gotta come back to the Home Depot. I need to get a few 2x4s, and that's due to the fact that I underestimated how much material I was gonna need. So I'm gonna need to come back into the Home Depot, like I said, get a few 2x4s so I could complete this project. This is a very simple project. It's not a permanent structure or anything. It's pretty basic, so I'm not trying to spend much money. It's just going to be used for maybe about 3 months. And after that, it'll probably go free to whoever needs it. I'm not going to need it, and I'm not going to keep the stuff around. If somebody else can put it to use in my community, then they may have it. But yeah, let's go get this wood. And right now Home Depot also has right now, guys, Home Depot also has a deal of 5 bags of mulch for $10. So I'm probably gonna pick me up. I already bought like 20 of them, so I'm probably gonna get another 10 more. Looks really nice outside in the garden. Fresh mulch. I'll show you in a second. Look at the size of this spatula right here. It's pretty huge. Pretty nice too. Be yours for 25 bucks. I was planning on buying this, garden rod or whatever they call them, the garden round poles. But I mean, it's only $5, but I'm gonna use some used 4x4s that I have at home. And I feel like there's no need for me to spend $5 when I have material that I can use at home. So I'm gonna leave it behind. Whoa, and of course loading this stuff, man, it's always the easy part, man. I tell you, man, nothing ever seems to play out for me right. Check it out. This is how far I've gone. I'm adding those supports on the side, and I'm gonna add one in the middle and one at the far end as well. This is what I'm doing, and this is how I'm doing my temporary ramp. So far, it's been pretty easy, I suppose. Pretty easy. So this is the progress so far. This is my ramp that I'm building. It's probably not the best, but it is temporary. So as of now, you can go up and down it, no problem. It's pretty darn cool. It's not bad. It'll serve its purpose for what I need it for. And yeah. Well guys, this is my ramp. This is what I created. Hope you guys get any ideas and are able to develop just a quick, temporary ramp for an emergency. I still gotta, close that hole right there. I had to move this vent over here from the dryer, so I had to move it, but I made the hole too big, so now I gotta figure out what am I gonna do about it. I'm probably just gonna put some trim around it and buy another cover, on that area. So yeah, this was an all-day project. A few times I had to go to Home Depot back and forth, run out of lumber, and I needed to figure out how was I gonna find this brackets here, which I found, and they seem to be pretty sturdy. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button, and make sure you follow through and follow my page on my YouTube. I am tired. I haven't been able to sleep, so I had to get this done. So I finally accomplished my emergency temporary ramp. Time to get going, guys. Peace out.